Hey, what's up, team? Here's the watch list video breakdown for Tuesday, March 2nd. These are for day trades. First one on the list is going to be DKNG. Without a doubt, this makes the watch list main chart. We're looking for a continuation play. We got the break of this amazing cup and handle here on the daily chart time frame. A little run after earnings, bunch of analyst upgrades. So we're just looking for the move over $69 or $70. Depending on, this is actually moving after hours, so depending on what the pre-market high winds up being, that's what we're looking to take this long over. So very easy analysis here, looking for the continuation play over 69 or 70. Back to the daily chart. The next one on the main chart watch list would be RKT. We were looking for the break of $24. We got that close over the $24 price point. Very first time that this has happened in quite a few months. And then this happens after hours. Big run all the way up past $26, in fact. So what we're looking for now is a play over that after hours high. If this gets too extended, though, I'm not going to put this on the watch list. We need to be really careful about chasing this move up. It's already up about 16 or 17% here. So ideally, I want to see this pull back a little bit pre-market, maybe push back up, pull back again, start to kind of consolidate a little bit and not just be a parabolic move into the open. If that's the case, I'm taking it off the watch list, but this does look good for a continuation play. Plan to utilize a gap up strategy, though. If you don't know one, there's one located in the guides channel, located in the Discord server. All right, back to the daily chart time frame. Next one on the watch list will be Facebook, FB. This is forming a range with general support being around $255 and general resistance being around $267. The support is also where this 200 EMA is located. The resistance is also where this 50 EMA is located. And I think that something's got to give to either side here. So we're looking for a breakout move of the range here since it's trading closer to the top side. We're looking for a breakout move of the range over $267 for the play, up past 270, maybe even up to 275. The one thing about the Facebook play, though, is that you're likely going to want to have market backing. So keep an eye on SPY, whatever SPY winds up doing. You don't necessarily want to be long on Facebook or any of the FANG stocks, really, if SPY is just tanking. So it's just something to keep in mind, right? But this does look good for a range breakout over $267. That's all that I have for the main charts, but there are a few alternates and a few side charts. So one of them being Microsoft. We talked about this one in the live stream yesterday, that the analysis still remains the same. It has a gap over $238 with a price target of $240 in mind. That is still something that can happen. This gap fill can still occur. That is still in play. So just keep that in mind. Maybe set an alert at 238 and trade it as a side chart. Zoom is up after hours, up to $458. So it actually filled this gap right here. So we're looking at possibly taking a play on Zoom over 460. Right. This will be a post earnings play. Another one that's up after hours is Roku, right? So this one also has a gap on the daily, but it's done something really odd here. It's gapped up over the gap down, which makes this then a double gap. Don't get confused. Here's the deal: 450 is the next whole number right overhead, so a play over 440 is possible with a $10 move up to 450. That should be plenty enough to take profits on, but needs to hold this gap area at around $434 to even be relevant as a play. These are side charts, by the way. I'm just talking about them and putting them on radar. These can be put anytime as a main chart watch list item. I just want to say that they're side charts for now because I want to wait and see where they open up at. The next one's going to be Boeing. The reason why this one's a side chart and not a main chart watch is because it's pretty close to $230, right? So if we were to take this long over like $226 or $227, we're limiting ourselves here on profit margin. That's only like a 1.3% move. So ideally, I want to see this open up near 230, so that way we could just take it long over the break of 230, and we got ourselves a really good trade there. But not right now. It's just not close to the $230 price point, so it's going to be a side chart watch list item until it gets there. The next, I got 3 more for you. One of them is going to be on Workhorse. This is a side chart because it's just forming a range. It hasn't really done anything since selling off, so it's just got general support at 15, general resistance around 18, set straddle alerts, and plan to play the break at the range to either side. FSR was one that we talked about in the live stream yesterday. This analysis still remains the same as well. So the high is now at $29.27. It tested that high today. I got pretty close to testing that high exactly today. So all we're looking for now is still a break over $29. Keep that alert set there, and we'll look at taking a trade on this if it breaks over. The last one is on PLUG. This gapped up over, let me get back to the daily chart. So it gapped up over the $50 hold number. It gapped up over the 50 EMA on the daily chart time frame. It has broken this downward trend line and is actually up slightly after hours. So we're just looking for a break over whatever that pre-market or after hours high winds up being. At the current moment, it's $54. So that's about 10 stocks that have potential to be on the watch list tomorrow. 3 of them for sure will be on the watch list, being DKNG, RKT, and Facebook. The other ones you need to create a game plan for and be ready to trade any of them. I will see you all in chat tomorrow. New month, new money. See you then.